In today's video, we are talking about how to support your gut if you're overwhelmed and stressed. Because if your life feels like chaos right now, your gut is absolutely feeling it too. I'm a certified gut wellness coach, and these are the exact, simple, sustainable habits that I use in my own busy life. If you've been wondering how to keep your gut happy while you're juggling work, kids, errands, and feeling like you have 47 tabs open in your brain, this video is your new game plan. I always encourage everyone to do your own research and always check with your trusted medical professional before making any changes. Let's jump in. Let's start with what is one of the easiest gut support habits, and that is enjoying probiotic food with every single meal, or as often as you can. Remember, no stress. Probiotic foods like kefir, sauerkraut, yogurt, fermented pickles, and one of my personal favorites, kombucha, add beneficial bacteria and help to balance the microbiome. Fermented foods are one of the fastest ways to boost microbial diversity and improve digestion. Traditionally, fermented foods were always served alongside meals for their added flavor, but also their digestion support benefits. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that all the condiments that we're familiar with today were traditionally enjoyed to support digestion? So doing this does not have to be complicated. Here's what I like to do. I like to plan a big batch fermentation day once about every 4 to 6 months, and then I make a bunch of jars of fermented things. It's way easier than canning, so don't let the idea overwhelm you. It's actually very easy. Once I've done that, I have a big collection that I can easily pull from. So even if we're feeling overwhelmed or in a hurry, adding a forkful of sauerkraut or sipping a little kefir takes 10 seconds. So when you start to do this, start small. Just add one probiotic food at a time and build from there. Your gut will notice the difference. I always notice a huge difference when I'm consistent with this in how I feel. And make sure to keep watching because I have a couple other foods that I'm going to talk about that I think are going to surprise you. And if you're interested in learning about how to support your gut with the most important foods and habits, you're definitely going to want to check out my free Gut Wellness Getting Started guide that's linked down in the description for you. Next is a total nervous system hack, and that is healthy fats. So think butter, ghee, olive oil, tallow, fish oils, and more. Healthy fats help stabilize blood sugar, and stable blood sugar makes for a calmer gut-brain connection. Healthy fats are so important for our gut, liver, detox system, hormone, brain, nervous system. Really, all of our body systems benefit from healthy fats. An obvious connection is that blood sugar spikes and crashes sends your body into perceived danger mode, which then stresses digestion. Healthy fats, on the other hand, tell your body, you're safe, you're fed, you're okay. This helps digestion calm down. I make sure to add some additional fat to every meal that I eat, even if it's just some extra butter added to my vegetables or olive oil on a salad. Tiny tweaks, they make a huge difference in how I feel. And if you do want to easily start making some swaps for healthier, more nourishing foods, you're going to want to check out my Nourishing Food Swaps guide, and I have it linked down in the description below this video for you. So when you're overwhelmed, gut health cannot be complicated. It has to fit into a real, busy, messy life. Simple meals mean less digestive stress. So think protein, healthy fats, colorful vegetables. It really can be very simple and so delicious. So when I'm making my meals, the main things that I try to emphasize are having high quality real foods, minimizing inflammatory triggers, and giving my microbiome the nutrients that it needs without overthinking it. My favorite way to make this happen in a sustainable way is getting very comfortable making a huge variety of one-pot meals. These are unbelievably easy, so delicious, perfectly nourishing and gut supportive, and they can have endless variety. With these one-pot meals, I start with my protein, ideally a cut of meat with bone and connective tissue in it, so that I'm easily making meat stock at the same time. And then I add herbs, spices, vegetables in a variety of flavor profiles. I throw it all together in the oven, in a cast iron Dutch oven, or in a crock pot, let it go, and then at dinner time, I just pull it out, serve it with some probiotic food on the side, and some extra fat. It is the perfect combination of so easy and so nourishing. So give yourself permission permission to keep meals basic. A bowl, a protein, a veggie, and a fat. Add a couple spoonfuls of probiotic foods on the side and you're done. Your gut is not asking for anything complicated, just real nourishment. And make sure to keep watching because I have a couple of habits that I'm going to share with you next. And I think the last one will really surprise you. So many people do not know that this one is connected to gut health. But before we get to that, make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what has been your biggest takeaway from this video so far. Was there anything that surprised you? And what would you say is your biggest struggle when it comes to supporting your gut? Now, this one might sound too simple, but one of the biggest tools when it comes to gut support and wellness in general is sunlight and nature. So morning light, fresh air, even a 5-minute walk outside helps regulate the nervous system and support healthy digestion. Did you know that being indoors is actually a stressor on our nervous system? And being outdoors actually directly benefits the microbiome. Morning light is key for stabilizing circadian rhythms, lowering stress, and improving digestion through the gut-brain axis. Plus, sunlight exposure boosts serotonin, which directly supports gut motility. I always try to get outside every single day for 2 to 5 minutes minimum. Even if I'm not outside walking around, I at least go out on my patio. I make sure to open the blinds, get sunlight when I'm indoors. Our guts want cues of safety, and nature provides those instantly. This final habit is one that everyone overlooks: sleep. So sleep is when your gut repairs the lining, balances the microbiome, detoxes, and calms inflammation. Sleep really is the ultimate nervous system reset, and that is tied directly to gut health. When you're overwhelmed, digestion slows, hormones spike, and bloating increases, but sleep gives your gut the nightly reboot that it desperately needs. So what to do? Protect your bedtime routine. Even adding 15 to 20 more minutes of sleep a night supports gut repair. Tiny improvements matter more than perfection. Supporting your gut does not have to be complicated, expensive, or time-consuming, especially when life already feels chaotic. Start with just one habit from this video and slowly build from there. Your gut has an incredible ability to recover, and every little step that you take sends a message to your body. We're safe, we're supported, we're getting better. Make sure to check out the description box down below this video for links to those free resources that I mentioned, the Gut Wellness Getting Started Guide and the Easy Nourishing Food Swaps Guide. Now that you know how to support your gut if you're overwhelmed and stressed, you probably want to know how to be making your own probiotic foods at home. But how do you do that? It all starts by watching this video here next, because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you'll learn here, it is so much more powerful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.